Yeah, especially this
All right,
series.
pick for the race.
I got Majeski.
Well, I wish we got.
I'm going Heim.
Going Heim also.
Heck yeah.
Somebody
Heck
can
yeah.
pick somebody for me because I don't have any fucking idea.
I'll pick Ben Rhodes for you. How about that?
Sure, I don't know who the fuck that is, but alright.
Heck yeah. Oh great! Everyone's picked.
Also,
versus
Rhodes gonna win
my
another
pick.
fucking
I'm just
championship.
picking Rhodes.
No,
Get-
it's not.
Well, yeah,
If
he's
we're
gonna
all
win this
fucked.
year's. Someone's fit. No,
Might as
someone
well call it
behind is
now.
going to win this year's championship.
I expect the dumb
I
shit.
ain't winning. I ain't winning this year.
Mackle.
A caution.
Caution.
Caution's
Who
out.
wrecked?
And hey, Taylor.
top
you
line.
wait.
Uh-oh.
Who?
Uh-oh.
It's driver of the 21. I don't know.
Michael Waltrip. That was not a flipper. He is still on his
He
tires.
could have flipped.
Jake, what is wrong with
What?
you? What?
Fuck you.
Hey,
Fuck.
welcome back, you little fuck.
Fuck you. Anyway.
By the way, Steve, the only thing interesting about this race, is there any penalties?
Fuck you.
There's
Fuck
two
you.
things
Fuck
interesting
you!
about this race.
Fuck you.
Bro.
Did somebody get a penalty?
Oh, me.
What in
Or
the
did-
world was
What the
that?
fuck was
What?
that?
What just happened?
Can Wyatt speak now, please?
No. Yeah, go ahead.
No.
No.
I was
No.
saying that the only two things about this race. Fucking Christ.
What the fuck is that decal on the deck? Do you see that? That's
That
that
person?
fucking person. Yeah, what the hell is that?
Yeah, I saw that. I
Move
see
the
that.
camera back. Move the camera back, please. Please, Fox,
Please
move it back.
See you.
No!
Dude.
Cunts!
Balls! There it is. There it is.
Oh, look
It's
at
the
that! What the
man.
fuck?
What is that?
That Grand Enfinger's face on the
Granite
bobblehead.
finger is a bobblehead, be like.
You sure about that?
No, I thought Dai
Daniel
wasn't
Dye
gonna
blows
get off
a
of
tire
him.
right there. I'm about to say.
Dai was
Daniel
about to
Dye
live up to
blows
his
a tire
fucking
right
name.
there.
Oh no! Oh no! Jake!
What?
Jake,
Hi!
What? Hi.
stop it!
Holy shit.
What is wrong with
Well,
you?
I've been fucking.
What is wrong with you?
I couldn't hear you guys for the longest time.
Can you hear
Oh
us
my
now,
God.
Jake? Jake! Jake! Jake!
Yes, yes.
Jake!
Jake,
I can fucking hear you guys, okay?
Jake!
What?
Hi.
Hi.
Would you guys come with being a
Oh
mascot?
my lord.
the
Ah!
most exciting battles for race.
Damn, my nuts stink. What?
Yo,
Whoa,
what
what?
the fuck?
Yo, what? Oh, but Jesse just gained like 6'10".
Josh, bring it upside down.
Oh my god.
God.
My nuts
Dude,
stink.
what?
Huh?
Bronchitis? What?
Bronchitis.
Bronchitis. Huh?
Oh my god.
My nuts smell like fish. Oh! Bro. What the fuck, man? Ah!
Oh, Tate.
Yes.
Taint! Oh! Bro.
Hi.
Hi.
God.
Best here.
I got a little froggy pecker. Oh.
Bro.
Oh, Taylor Gray, go for it.
Shit,
Go for it. Let's go. Whoa.
Taylor Gray.
Whoa.
Let's go. Here we go. Hop. Holy shit, dude. This is getting bad.
They're gonna fucking wreck each other. Oh.
This is getting stupid.
Cameraman don't know what to look at on.
I'm fucking the food with my little tiny pecker. Oh.
What in the what?
Here we go. We're
Okay.
gonna crash. We'll finally go. Hop. Holy shit, dude.
Jeez.
And corn pop wasn't bad, dude.
Yo, stop. Who is shitting their pants, bro? Please,
Turn the fucking-
stop.
It's
Go
Jacob.
to
It's
the
Jacob.
bathroom.
It's Jake.
No, it's not me.
It is
It's
Jake.
not me.
No,
It
it's
is.
Jake. It's
Me.
Jake.
It's not me.
It's Jake.
7 lights to go. Oh.
Yo. It just sounds like static.
Pineapple. Pineapple belongs on pizza. Oh.
Oh my god.
Where's our coaching? God damn it! Where's? Oh fuck! Bro,
Like we're getting.
bro almost killed the fence.
Come on, baby. Let's go.
Let's go.
Final lap.
Let's freaking go,
Hey,
Lane.
hold up.
Let's freaking
Come on.
go, Lane.
There's one more lap. It's not over yet.
He'd have to blow
Do
his
this
fucking
now.
tires, Kyle
Do this
Larson
now.
style.
Oh, he's got that front tire. That front tire's flat.
He's
down.
He's going to the wall. Let's fucking
Lane
go,
Ray.
Lane.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Lane.
Yes, sir, baby.
NASCAR truck series out Milwaukee.
Yes.
The winner.
Lane
Winner.
Finally.
Go get your chicken.
Finally.
Dude, good for that
Oh my-
team. They've gone through it this year. Oh,
Oh
Damn.
shit.
It's a battle for the Rays.
Boom.
Touchdown. Lane Riggs is the Truck Series winner. Oh.
Bro,
What a finish.
I can't, dude. I can't. Oh.
Mike is fucking retarded. Oh.
Jesus. I'm
Let's
happy to
let's
see.
see how that.
What are we doing, Fox?
Let's see how that.
What are
Riggs
we
battle
doing?
versus Joseph
They
is
cut
doing.
away from a burnout. Oh my god! That burnout was so good. It's gonna be so good, and we won't be able to see it.
We can't even see the camera so zoomed in.
Zoom the fuck out, dude.
Guys, I'm so happy. Wait.
Oh,
He got a cramp. Oh my
got a cramp.
god, he got a cramp.
He cracked up on the roof.
Boy got a cramp in his bicep, bro.
bro, did he like pull a muscle or something?
Oh, there's
He got a
Scott.
cramp.
That's Scott Riggs.
God, let's fucking go, dude. He was there.
He kind of looks like the host of AFV.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
Tom
that. Guy.
Bergeron, yeah.
I love that guy. That was my favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, is he good? Wait, did they have to pump it as?
yeah. He drove that truck so hard he pulled a muscle.
Wait, maybe
Popped
he
his
pulled the
shoulder
arm out
out.
of it. Maybe he pulled the arm out of his socket.
Popped
May-
his shoulder
well,
out.
Maybe
yeah.
he pulled his arm out of his socket. Almost ended his career after his win. Wow.
Blonde
be
almost
fine,
had a
though.
career-ending injury. His fucking arm said.
Oh my god.
Oh,